watching out for you. This is Storm Team 8.
Good morning, West Michigan. Currently 512, and as we check out conditions across the area, it'll be a tranquil Tuesday, sunny and cool across the area. Highs, in fact, only in the mid to upper 60s this afternoon. We'll have a wet Wednesday to anticipate showers, even a few stronger thunderstorms developing during the day tomorrow. And at this point, as we peek ahead, there are several question marks for the upcoming holiday weekend forecast. The computer models are still all over the place as to exactly how cool, warm, or wet it's going to be here. Kind of splitting the difference for it this morning. On the weekend forecast this morning, calling for highs to climb into the 70s with occasional showers along the way. But again, we'll be making some specific changes here to each and every day as we move through the next couple of days. In the meantime, this morning, it is dark outside. The live view from our Heritage Hill Sky Cam confirming that. Of course, that's what you'd expect at 5:12 in the morning. Looking at Storm Track Live, and you can see here not a whole lot of activity going on regionally. As we look at the broad view for you, we do want to talk about the potential for severe weather, and the risk area for severe storms will stay to our south today. In fact, I think we'll see a good deal of sunshine. Risk area, unfortunately, for severe thunderstorms across the southern United States could be quite another dynamic day here. You can see this bullseye area. There's a moderate risk area for severe thunderstorms within this area, but where you see the dark red here, a high risk of severe weather from southern Kansas into central Oklahoma. That means that severe weather is not only possible in that area, in that bullseye, it is probable with potential for some significant tornadoes to develop. So again, all weather eyes focused on the southern United States. Now, as we check out conditions for tomorrow, this is the day 2 risk area. Slight risk area for severe weather does include central and southern lower Michigan up to about the I-96 corridor. And you can see areas to the south, Indianapolis, central Illinois, and points southward. That's where we will actually see a moderate risk for severe weather. For today, again, looking at temperatures that are comfortably cool this morning, mid to high 50s. We'll see a mixture of clouds and sunshine prevail. I actually think the sun will win out for much of the day. Northerly wind direction will keep a lid on temps only in the low to mid 60s by noon. And then mid to high 60s this afternoon. Areas south of Grand Rapids could end up topping out right around the 70-degree mark. As we head through the evening and overnight period, we stay dry. Thickening cloud cover arrives toward daybreak tomorrow. We'll start the day tomorrow dry with clouds continuing to increase. And you can see as of noon, the rain starting to make its appearance known in the Chicagoland area. That rain will overspread the area throughout the course of the day tomorrow with highs again in the mid to upper 60s. Showers, thunderstorms in the area as we head into Thursday. And then we're going to be really talking about some bigger changes coming up here for Thursday as that cooler air settles in. High temperatures only in the 50s Thursday afternoon. So again, we're going to be looking at a very cool day on Thursday, back into the 60s for Friday and Saturday, low to mid 70s for much of the holiday weekend. That's much different than we had yesterday. And again, we can't stress it enough. This transitional time going on with our weather, we will be expecting to make some really significant changes to the forecast as we approach the holiday weekend. So at this point, again, we're kind of splitting the difference with all the computer models, but we'll have more specific information as the week wears on.
It was interesting how we just kind of glossed over that whole 51. This in the middle of that forecast.
Thursday,
51.
Thursday afternoon, 51. The temperature.
Wow. And
with clouds and showers, probably going to feel like we're in the 30s and 40s.
Oh yeah. After having a few days of 70-something, it's going to feel like it's 0 degrees.
Mid 80s on Sunday. So here we go. It's a huge time of transition in our weather.
It's coming so much later, really, this year, too. I mean, we're going to have some of this crazy weather going on in July, the way it's going right now.
Exactly.
We're still going to be transitioning from something to something, spring to fall, I think.
Yeah, exactly.
Let's not hope we're going that direction, Emily. But I remember the year I was pregnant with my youngest, and she's 13 now. I worked the 4th of July, and it was so cold, I wore a turtleneck to work. So that's always my exclamation point. No matter how crazy and cool the weather seems, I say, look, at least it's not the 4th of July and wearing a turtleneck.
A pregnant woman wearing a turtleneck in July.
Yeah, exactly. It was my statement.
Thanks, Terry.